The second job of the day. I didn't want to bore you guys with a rekey. It is kind of satisfying though, isn't it? It's a good job too. I ain't gonna lie, it's good money. Right, what we're doing is a 2011 Nissan Sentra. Basic key. Look at that, right at the top. Love it. Make my life easy. Now, what's interesting about this? Not interesting, but no bueno is the customer has an OEM key. And she was just telling me is last time she got this reprogrammed, and she had to get it reprogrammed because the car wouldn't start with it. It was 2020. And I told her it's not normal for keys to have to be reprogrammed, you know. So what we're gonna be doing, I'll tell you what, I was even looking at if it's a couple years old too, it might be a little worn down. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna test how this feels in the ignition first. If it feels a little rough, I'm gonna show you a different way to duplicate it. Oh Jesus. Is that locked up? Well, she hasn't got a bad key. She might have a bad ignition. Alright, well good thing I didn't duplicate that, right? Let me see how it is in the door. So I think she's got a bad key. That's what I think this is. Alright, so we're gonna get into it a different way. We're gonna go into our machine and we're gonna do cut by bitting, not universal key duplication. We're gonna go cut by bitting. We're gonna go for, this is where you have to search the key exactly, right? So this has been Nissan. This is a NSN 14. This is gonna be a 10 biting. I know the difference of the two right there. We're just gonna go top one, and it tells you right here, A side, fourth alignment. All right. So put it there, and what this is gonna do, it's not gonna trace it exactly. It's gonna bounce between each groove. I mean, it's a little bent as well. I'm looking at it right now. Her key's a little bent, but if we watch this. If this doesn't work, we're gonna have to do it as an all keys lost situation. It's bouncing between the cuts right now. But if this doesn't work, we're gonna have to do it as an all keys lost situation. Pretty much just make the key from scratch. Alright, we've got some numbers. Decode key, correct. We'll come over here. And what that does, it reads the numbers. Look at those numbers. 1 2 4 3 2 3 3 2 2 2. Hopefully it's read the numbers correctly, and then we can cut the brand new key with those numbers and not an exact duplication of this, because this obviously isn't working right now. So we're hoping it's this and not the ignition. But we'll find out. Got my test key. The original key wasn't going to the left. So, oh, good thing we got, look at that. We got a working ignition. Good, thank God. So, just a little tester. I'm gonna grab that customer's key one more time. And while we do that, we'll two birds, one stone around. Take that. Take that. Take that. thinking that's probably why it's not working. Let's try it the other way. Yeah, I think I got a reason. Oh well, it does work now. But that. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to put it this way. Oh, it's working. The immobilizer's off. Where's the... Strange, eh? Very strange. But I'm gonna go program a new key anyway, because who's having problems? Alright, got my beloved 508. My first ever tool. I never see it. So the reason I don't really do diagnostics, so I never really needed to get a 608. And the subscription is half the price, so it's a fucking win-win, you know what I mean? Alright, I'll get my new key. Smooth as butter. Yeah, immobilizer's off. Oh no, look, it's flashing. It's on now. So hopefully we can get a little reprogram out of this. And what have I done now? There we go. Alright, let's get into it. Nissan, we're gonna need our door shut. Alright, we're in North America, the US of A. We have a Sentra, 2011. And we're just gonna run it as an all keys lost. And we'll go, because we've done this different, we're gonna do this a little different too. So what you can also do is you go into hot function, turn on the hazards. Hazards, open and close the door once. If conditions are met, turn on the ignition. I'll be honest, usually you do want to go to immobilizer so you can clear the DTC. This one I don't think it will matter. Key learning. Oh, I guess we need it in it. For this one. A little bubble came on immediately. Unknown network error. Let's try it again. There we go. Technology, mate. Technology. Insert a blade and turn it on. Success. Turn off the ignition. Please wait 5 seconds. Whoops. And then remove the key. Reading is fundamental, right? Alright, I've got my 5 little beeps and that mobilizes the light. So we're reprogramming that. Program success, continue to the next one. Yes. Turn off ignition, please wait 5 seconds, then remove the key blade. Insert the second key, my new key. Turn the ignition on, wait 5 seconds. Program success. I didn't watch my light, but the light is off. No, turn off ignition, wait at least 5 seconds. And what he's going to want me to do, and so, okay, I thought he was going to want number 1. Turn the ignition on. And we're good to go right there. Turn the ignition off, wait 5 seconds. Remove the key. Learning completed. Check if every key starts the vehicle. It's number 1. Customer's original key. Number 2. Good to go. Job done.